So today I came to Village to explore this beautiful community to see how things are really going on here. There are a lot of construction works going on here. Over 1,000 houses here in this community. Just take a look. Mountain stones, or you call them hills, I don't know. Beautiful house work going on there.